Hey guys, today I'm coming to you guys today with a nail tutorial. I'm using this brand of press-on nails by Basket. I will link the press-on nails in the description box below. And I was watching Jackie Ina, Auntie Jackie. I love her. She's absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, I already buffed my nails and I cut them down because I have naturally long nails. So yeah, I have to cut them down. And I like to use some brush on glue. I got this from Sally's. So yeah, you can pick this up at any beauty supply store near you. And I'm just brushing on the glue. I like using brush on glue so much more than the other nail glues that are like droppers, because those are so messy, but the brush on glue just goes on nicely and it doesn't get like under your nails and whatnot. So yeah, I'm just pressing and holding the press-on nail. It's pretty self-explanatory. Like, I mean, everyone knows how to apply these. It's just really quick and easy. So now that I have all my nails on, I'm gonna be buffing them. I want them to be medium size. I don't want them super long like here because sometimes long nails, they can get in the way, so I just want them to be medium length.
A few moments later.
So now that I have the length that I want, I'm just gonna apply my nail polish now. I'm using this nail polish. I love neutral colors. This one's kind of like flesh tone. It's like a nude color and it just looks so bomb in the summer. So yeah, I like my nails plain Jane. I don't really use any crazy colors. Like I used to in high school, but I stopped doing that. I don't know, I feel like I grew out of the colors. But yeah, so I'm just applying that nail polish and then I'm just gonna go in with a top coat. I got this top coat from Forever 21 years ago, like I think like 4 years ago or something, but it's pretty good. And this is how my nails came out. And with that being said, thanks for watching guys. Bye.